Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of podcast radio and stuff. I'm Tebeko Khuluse. Njengoba ngirekhoda nje le video ngikhathele isebusuku ngibuya kwi-launch ye-lineup entsha yeGagasi FM. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngaba ngibenza ubuntu uma ngabe ngingaqali ngokubonga iGagasi FM nokulibongela. iGagasi ngiyalibonga nge-invite firstly as a podcast radio and stuff. Kodwa futhi ngiphinde ngilibonge nange-hospitality, ukuphatheka kahle. iGagasi lisiphathe kahle kakhulu njengama-guest alo njengoba belilontshe i-lineup yalo entsha. Not only thina, but also nathi as a podcast radio and stuff. So we thank iGagasi for i-hospitality. Kanye nje nabasebenzi balo iGagasi bonke basikhombise ubuntu obukhulu. It was beautiful to be we launch iGagasi FM. There was no hostility. Bekunokuzwana nokuthula. Bekungekho umuntu obekubuka kabi ukuthi wena lapha kwi-podcast wake wathi ngami. None of that. So yeah, heads off to iGagasi. Size sathola mention na kwi-MD yeGagasi FM uMinenhle Dlamini. So thank you so much for that. Sibonga kuwona wonke umuntu weGagasi FM, abaphathi kanye ne-staff nje sisonkana, and industry colleagues esiwabonile lapha kwiGagasi from the media. It was beautiful. It was a beautiful event. So thank you. Now let's talk about i-lineup iGagasi eli-announcile. So engizokwenza namhlanje kulula kakhulu. Ngizonazisa nje nge-lineup iGagasi eli-announcile ukuthi imi kanje. Angeke ngisho imbono yami kakhulu ngoba kukhona i-episode esizoyidropha this coming Sunday. uNtokozo nami sobabili sobe sixoxe sisho nemibono yethu ngama-lineup ama-radio stations ahlukahlukene, including iGagasi FM. I know ne-Metro FM ikhipha i-lineup yayo entsha. Mawukuthi ufuna ukuzwa umbono wethu nge-lineup ye-Metro FM, watch i-episode esizoyidropha this coming Sunday la kwi-podcast radio and stuff. Kodwa ake sibone ukuthi i-lineup yeGagasi FM imi kanjani. So ngizoloku ngibuka laphansi ngoba i-laptop engiyibukayo ilaphansi. So uzongixolela uma ubona ngathi angiyibuki i-camera, hayi ngoba nakho ngikuziba wena njengombukeli we-podcast radio and stuff, kodwa ngoba amagama ala phansi kwi-laptop. So ngizokwazisa nje nge-lineup, no comments, no views at the moment and opinions. I will touch on that mangabe sesikhuluma noNtokozo. So i-lineup yeGagasi entsha imi kanje. Monday to Wednesday from 1 to 5 a.m. Sinenene. Igama le show is called Midnight Sound. I am so very happy for Sinenene. Usinenene u-anti wama 2K. Uyamazi ukuthi kade enza isigaxa lapha kwi-breakfast, Saturday breakfast. Njengamanje usene show yakhe engena ngo-1 kuya ku-5 Monday to Wednesday. So excited. I'm sure she's gonna do amazing things. And then 1 to 5 Thursday and Friday uSithabile kaMazubane. Ishow isabizwa ngayo Midnight Sound. Uzomkhumbula uSithabile kaMazubane ukuthi ungene kwiGagasi ezopresenta i-podcast uma ngabe ngingaphosisi. Yes, ungene kwiGagasi ezopresenta i-podcast. Usene show yakhe. So that is exciting. And then Monday to Friday, this was a big one. But also it was an open secret. 5 to 6 Monday to Friday, Gagasi early mornings, Gagasi FM early mornings. Nolinda Sibiya. Mr. Magic is back on radio. I am so excited for Linda Sibiya. I am so excited for Mr. Magic that he's finally back on radio. We all know how much Linda Sibiya loves radio, and for him to get this opportunity in such a big radio station, the biggest regional radio station in the country, and he'll be doing a 5 to 6 show. I think it's perfect for him, for Bantabasha Bavuswe or Mr. Magic, with that motivation, with that words of wisdom, ma ukuthi usuthi ufuna ukugive up, how Mr. Magic will tell you ukuthi it's not over until God says it's over. Oh my days, I'm so excited. So yeah, please make sure that you catch that one. But for full thoughts, for my full thoughts, make sure ukuthi ubukela i-episode ya Sunday 6 to 9. No surprises there. Gagasi FM breakfast. So uzobona ukuthi igama le show lishintshile sekuyi Gagasi FM breakfast with Felix Hlophe nomini. That is Monday to Friday 6 to 9. Ukushintsha kwamagama ukuchazile umphathi we Gagasi umini Dlamini ukuthi bakwenza lokho on purpose to ngicabanga ukuthi incazelo yakhe it went something along the lines ukuthi i-brand ye Gagasi iloku ibe khona bese kuthi nabasakazi babe khona as well ekunameweni kwegama le stage. So it's Gagasi FM breakfast show, or rather kwegama le show, not le stage. I might be getting that explanation wrong, but it's more around the branding and making sure what's the Gagasi brand is there. And then 9 to 12, Monday to Friday, it's Gagasi FM mid-mornings with Unjeps Zwane. So Unjeps Zwane is back. I'm not surprised. I am not surprised. Jeps has done an amazing job on that slot. Recently, sonke siyazi ukuthi got a trender. I spoke about le story abe trender ngaso ku khethile la khona umuntu ngithi abangani bethathelene umngane uthathele uhusband omunye umngane. It was a mess. Mawukuthi awusibonanga leso story, ungahamba kuma socials eGagasi, I'm sure usazosithola. So James Zwane is back. So excited. So custard yaqhubeka. So very excited with that one. 12 to 3, Monday to Friday, Gagasi FM midday. It's a big one. Mzokoloko is back. Umzo siyazi ukuthi show akayenza le kade ekwivuma FM usebuyile njengamanje kwiGagasi. Asahambi ke yedwa umzo, usehamba noLuyanda Khambule. Luyanda Khambule has been with iGagasi for quite some time now, and she's now on a prime time show with the legendary Mzokoloko. For my full thoughts on that, specifically on the return of Mzokoloko on Gagasi FM, please make sure ukuthi uyayibuka le show esoba nayo this coming Sunday. And mawukuthi awuyibukanga ingxoxo esake saba nayo noMzokoloko, cela nisiqiniseke ukuthi uyayibuka. Saba nengxoxo la kwi-podcast radio and stuff noMzokoloko. So please catch that chat. Sasingakazi ukuthi uzobuyela kwiGagasi, but we spoke about ukuba kwiGagasi and his journey and his radio trajectory. So you don't want to miss that episode if you didn't watch it. Check it out. Search nje for Umzo khona la kwi-podcast radio and stuff. Othi Mzokoloko uzoyibona leyo ngxoxo. Bese kuthi 3 to 6 Monday to Friday, Gagasi FM Drive. Spectacular Sel Beyonce and DJ Naves. Not shocked with their return. In my view, the show is doing quite well, very well to be honest. And bakhulumile Spectacular Sel Beyonce and Naves ukuthi le season edlule ngoba bekuyi-season yabo yokuqala bebo bathathu, it was just a warm up. Okusho ukuthi kule season lesesiya kuyona big things are coming. So that's the Gagasi Drive, Gagasi FM Drive. Then 6 to 7 on Mondays, Gagasi FM Sports Hour. Xolile Mpisane will be hosting that show. So Xolile Mpisane was with the Gagasi previously. She's back hosting the 6 to 7 on Mondays, the Gagasi FM Sport Hours. Kanti sokhumbula ukuthi sports show besenziwa uSimtho Dladla ehambisana noMike Makap. Bobabili uSimtho Dladla noMike Makap abasayona ingxenye ye-lineup yeGagasi FM. Bese kuthi u6 to 7 on Fridays sekuzoba khona iGagasi FM Sports Zone esobe senziwa uSamkele Samkelo Sports Mjita. So uzomkhumbula uSports Mjita ukuthi kade enza isports lapha kwi-breakfast show kaFelix Nomini. Usezoba neshow yakhe on Fridays 6 to 7 Gagasi FM Sports Zone. So that's exciting for uSports Mjita. Kanti naye futhi ukhulumile kwi-launch yeGagasi lapho khona bebonga abaphathi nge-opportunity abamnike yona ukuthi after 5 years with the stage usehambe waze wafika la wakwazi naye ukwenza nje ishow yakhe lapho khona ezobe khuluma for i-hour ekhuluma nge-sport. So that's really exciting. Kanti on Tuesdays to Thursdays between 7 and 8 Gagasi FM Indaba with Alex Mtiani. So the legendary Alex Mtiani will still be hosting that show. Now it's called Gagasi FM Indaba. Yalbo igama sekuyigagasi FM Indaba. Bese kuthi 8 to 10 Monday to Thursday. After 8 is After 8 with Heezy. My name is Heezy and I'm famous. So Heezy is back. Quite excited about that one. You can't fall to Heezy when it comes to radio. So definitely we expect him to continue doing a great job on that slot. Here's that took me as a little bit of a surprise, and I will tell you on Sunday why I was slightly surprised with this one. DJ Sonic will now be hosting late night Shandis 10 to 1 Monday to Thursday. Uzokhumbula ukuthi DJ Sonic kade hosta midday connection 12 to 3 Monday to Friday with Ukhaya Mthethwa. Ukhaya Mthethwa akasayona ingxenye ye-lineup yeGagasi FM. uSonic usehamba yedwa njengamanje, usezongena ngo-10 kuya ku-1 Monday to Thursday. Late night Shandis igama le-show ezobe yenza. I said that took me by surprise. You want to know why it took me by surprise? Catch the episode that will drop on Sunday with Ntokozo Chapa. On 7 to 10 on Fridays, a pre-party with DJ Sonic and Happy Girl. Uzokhumbula ukuthi pre-party bikade yenziwa uSizwe Sibisi no DJ Happy Girl. So uSizwe Sibisi akasekho kule show, usezoba nenye show sokuzofika kuyona. Kodwa njengamanje sizokwenza uDJ Sonic ehambisana no Happy Girl. Bese kuthi ngo-10 to 1 Umsindo take over. Abafana bomsindo, MK Music kanye noSiphokuhle. That is on Fridays 10 to 1 abafana bomsindo, MK Music kanye noSiphokuhle. Excited about them. They are both young, big talent, really excited for them. Okay, bese sithi Saturday 1 to 4. It's the massive weekend with Lusanda Mnai. So happy for Lusanda. Now she's doing that show on Saturday 1 to 4. 4 to 6 early risers with Luandle Masoka. That is still on Saturday. Kandi Saturday 6 to 9 Gagasi Saturday breakfast. Wait for it, with Sizwe Sibisi. It's a big one. On Saturdays, Sizwe Sibisi has his own show. He'll be flying solo. We haven't had Sizwe flying solo for quite some time now. So those who remember weekends with Sizwe Sibisi, will be excited. We know what Sizwe can do when he's flying solo. We know what he can do when he's co-hosting as well. So really, really excited about that one. Gagasi Saturday breakfast with Sizwe Sibisi, 6 to 9 on Saturdays. I'll set my alarm for that one. Then 9 to 1 on Saturdays, Urban Top 40. Heezy is back. Heezy is back for yet another season on the Top 40. He's been doing a good job, excellent job actually on that slot. So he'll continue with that slot. So yeah, I suppose about Patbe Gagasi, but why fix it if it's not broken? So Heezy continues. Then 1 to 4, Gagasi Saturday Groove with Nkulimbata. That is on Saturdays. And then 4 to 7, Umsindo Takeover is back again. Abafana Umsindo, MK Music, and Siphokuhle Thuli. Then 7 to 10 on Saturday, the pre-party back again with DJ Sonic and DJ Happy Girl. Then 10 to 1 on Saturdays, it's The Dance Cabin with Sbulu Shozi. Sbulu Shozi, it was beautiful to hear his story. Ukuthi walijoyina kanjani iGagasi. He came to co-host and Ayanda Melanzi okuyena obhekelela inhlelo kwiGagasi FM uthi bathi nje mangabe bemuzwa, but he has to join our station, and it's really good to hear ukuthi he's now, you know, he has his own show. And in fact, I remember listening to him. He was standing on the 12 to 3 show, did an excellent job. That's Sbulu Shozi. And then 1 to 4 on Sundays now, it's the massive weekend with Lusanda Mnai. We've had a chat with Lusanda Mnai. Well, most of these guys we've hosted. We've had a chat with Lusanda Mnai. You can check out the chats we've had with her here on Podcast Radio and stuff. And then 4 to 6 on Sunday, it's Early Risers with Luandle Masoka. So that is yet another exciting show. I think Luandle Masoka is a huge talent, and I think many people that love her will be excited about the Early Risers. 4 to 6 on Sundays. That show will be followed by a big show. Excuse me, a show that I think will be a huge show. This one will be a huge show. The Sunday Devotion, 6 to 10. The legendary Linda Sbiya will be hosting that show. I think if you are hosting a gospel show in this time slot, you should be worried. You should be worried. Because if you ask me, looking at Linda Sbiya's journey in the radio industry, but also in life, he's got a story to tell. He'll be able to motivate people. He's so inspirational. So for me, this show is perfect for him. And I did suspect, those I'm close with, they'll tell you, I did say, if mina bengumphathi wenhlelo kwiGagasi, bengingamisa kule show uLinda Sbiya uma ngabe kuwukuthi ukhulekana akaqhubeki nayo. So it makes sense. Really, really exciting. And then 10 to 2 on Sundays, Urban Soul Radio with Colin Zondo. Umadala is back. The legend. 18 years with the station, I believe. So he'll continue with 10 to 2, the slow jams, you know, the Urban Soul Radio. So exciting. So make sure that you catch Madala. And then 2 to 6 on Sunday, Gagasi Sunday Groove with Nkuli Mbata. So check that one out. And then 6 to 10 on Sundays is Shutdown Yomhlaba. Uzokhumbula ukuthi leyo show ibikade yenziwa uSphe Life. Kungiphathe kabi mina ukuzwa ukuthi uSphe Life akasayona ingxenye ye-lineup yeGagasi FM, but I hope ukuthi khona indaba mhlawumbe uSphe ezinhle azoqhamuka nazo. Ukuthi uyabuyela emsakazweni. Angazi ngimuphi, but I really hope that what will happen. But Sbulu Shozi, you know, the young talent will be taking over that show. And then 10 to 1 on Sundays, it's the wrap-up with Ngcebo Pengu on Gagasi FM. So that's the 2026 new lineup, Gagasi FM. I don't know what you make of that lineup. Please go into the comment section and share your thoughts and views kwi-lineup Gagasi FM. Mina ngizobe sengikwazisa eyami imbono kwi-episode esizoyidropha noNtokozo this coming Sunday, ukuthi mina ngicabangani ngale lineup yeGagasi. Ikuphi la ngibona ukuthi khambe kahle khona, ikuphi la ngibona engathi ayi mhlambe kushayeka isikhala la. Nginakho konke, kodwa ngizokusho kwi-episode elandelayo noma esizoyidropha on Sunday. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Podcast Radio and stuff. I'm Tobeo Khulusa. Please remember to subscribe on this channel, share this video, and like this video. Tell everyone that there's this thing called Podcast Radio and stuff. Bye-bye.